guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna discuss about the AutoCAD 2024 version. And in this video I will talk about the basic commands of the CAD which we use normally. So I will not take your much time, so let's start. So open the CAD file. So this is 2024 AutoCAD which we use to draw the 2D drawings or 3D drawings. And let's open. So bros, before learning the designing or before making decision to do drawings, we need to know some basic commands which I will let you know in this video. And these are very normal commands, so let's start. So right now we need to start any drawing, so I will say new. So this is the model space where we can draw the drawings. So let's start with the first command, very easy command. So line command. So select this command and it looks like that. So it's very easy, and we can also say L and enter, and it starts the same command if we say L and enter. So this is a basic command, and like that we have another command, the polyline command, which we can see here. So select the polyline command. It creates the same thing, line, but I will tell you the difference what is the between the line command and the polyline command. So right now if I select this line, the created by the polyline, so this is the whole line. But if I select this line, the created by the line command, these lines are the separate lines, like they are not joined. So this is the normal difference, so it's not a big deal. So right now I will discuss about the circle command. So we can see here the circle. Just we need to select the center point and we can make like that circle. It's very easy, bro. And or we can say C and enter. It works same. And also there is a one thing to know. There are 4 commands in the circle command. Like we can choose center radius, center diameter. We can create circle by 2 points, 3 points. Like there are a lot of options which we can use, but normally we use this thing, center, and normally we used to have the radius like 12, enter. So these are 12 feet radius circle. Now I will talk about the arc command. This command we don't use normally, but sometimes we need to use this command to make specific curves like the road curves or something. That time we use. So use start point, then the second point. You see, it's very easy, bro, like that. And there are also few options. You see, 3-point arc, start, center, and arc. Like there are a lot of options. These one. So according to the requirement, according to the need, we use to select these commands. Like if I select these commands to say start, this one. So we need to select the start point. So basically this point. Then specify center point. So I will say this one the specific center point, and then we need to choose the end point. You see, it's very easy, bro. Now I will talk about the rectangular command. So this is this one. Say this one, make rectangle like anything. So it's very easy. And if you want to make any specific dimensioning rectangle, we can do that as well. So we need to select this one, then choose the first corner, this one, then say dimension, then what is the length. For example, length is 12, enter. What is the width? 5, enter. You see, 12 by 5 we make the rectangle. It's very easy. And for that we can use REC, then enter, then it works simple. Now I will talk about the move command, which is here. So sometime we need to move the object from one place to another place. That time it helps this command. So for that one we need to select the command move. Then it says always we need to read this thing. Say select object. So we need to select the object. Then we can move it like that. And also I will say these commands helps us to move like multiple things. For example, we want to move all of these things. So select move, select the object, like for example this one, I want to move this one, I want to move this one, I want to move this one. Then I can say enter, then choose a specific point to move anywhere. It's normal thing, it's very easy. Now I will talk about the needy command, which is copy command, which we mostly use in our drawings. It is because sometimes we need multiple objects in the drawing. So that time this command is very helpful for us. So this command works like that. So say copy, select object, then say enter, then choose the base point, then make copies. We can make multiple copies according to our requirement. So this is the command, and I will give you the one more tip for this command. When we go to this command, copy, select this one, then say enter, then we need to choose the base point. Sometime we need to make multiple objects, for example 10 or 8 or 17, 20. So every time clicking this is very hard. So we can directly make the object by giving the numbering. So select the object, for example, so I will go back, select this one, select the object, then enter, then select the base point. So you see array, select this option, how many items we want, like I will say 5, and say enter. You see, you will see the 5 items here right now. So this is the tip for you guys, which I will give you. Now let's start with the another command which we use. So I will create one object for you. So say pl, enter polyline, then create one object like that. This is the object row which we created. And if you want to rotate this object, we have this command, the rotate command. Select the rotate command, select the object, then say enter. Then we need to choose the base point. We can choose center point, this point, whatever we want. So I will choose this one. This one, so you see it rotates like that. We can rotate it in any angle by saying 30 degree, 40 degree, whatever. So you see this thing, it works very well. Now I will discuss about the mirror command, which we use rarely in our drawings. So for this one we need to select the mirror command, select object, then say enter. Then we need to choose the mirror line, like from where we want to mirror it. So I will select this one, say enter. You see bro, you see, very easy. Now I will talk about the very essential commands which we basically use in our drawings, mostly for the roads, for the buildings. So I will create one building for you. So say pln. So this is the drawing area, and I will say this is the building which we are making. So anyhow we have these lines, you see these are the whole object. Anyhow we have these lines in the middle which we don't want. So meanwhile we want to trim these lines, we want to show only this building, the outer line. So for this one we have this trim command word. Select command, then we need to select the object. That's all. Like that. Done, bro. Very easy. Now I will talk about the another command, the extend command, which we use also. So right now we have this building and we want to make two buildings, like this one separate one and this one separate one. We want to see. So for this one, I will see here, we don't have the here, but for that we have ex extend, ex enter. So for that we need to select the boundary edge, which is this one. I will select this one. Yes, I'll do. For that one, say ex enter, then directly say, oh sorry. So this is the polyline, that's why it's not working. So we'll explode it. Now we will work. This will work. So say ex. So boundary edge is this one. Say enter. Then select this one. You see, it works. So this is separate. This is separate. It works like that. But for this one, we should have the only line, not the polyline. So this is also very basic command which we use. Right now, if you want to join any lines like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, you want to make it a block like one whole thing. So you can say join, 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 and say enter. You will see this becomes right now the polyline, the solid line, which we can see. And if you want to make it separate lines from the polyline to lines, there is a command explode. So say X, enter, select the object and say enter. So this is the very easy command. So for today, this is enough. And these are the basic commands, bro, which I think we need to know. So I will repeat again the line command to create the line, polyline to create the one polyline on the multiple points. This is the circle commands, arc command, rectangular commands, and we have few commands: move, copy, rotate, mirror, extend, trims. So these are very basic commands, bro. So I appreciate you a lot for your time and thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.